Okay.
And,
Okay. Then you don't have to talk about that.
okay.
I was just asking, I thought that case was negotiated, but the prelim went forward and he got bound over. Okay.
He was on Las Vegas Boulevard to follow up with some job applications. He had worked there before, even though he has some convictions. He had job applications at Burlington Coat Factory in Canes. So he goes to follow up with those, and then this happens with the new jurisdiction that has been created. So that's why he was there. He has a 13-year-old son that he's caring for. We're asking for a 6-month flat sentence with a dishonorable discharge. The new case, it was barely bound up. It's just one identifying information of somebody. It's not like a forge lab in his backpack or anything like that.
Okay. Mr. Duplessis, anything you want to add?
Ma'am, I was just on the strip. I know I was in violation of being out of a court order, but I was checking the status of my applications because I know part of my probation I have to have some type of job or be in school or something.
Yeah, but you can't be on the strip.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Anything else? Anything else you want to add?
If I could just get another chance to try to check in school and be productive and show you that I can do better and follow my rules and my probations.
Okay. State.
Judge, we are seeking revocation. It's this court's policy that new crimes on probation warrant revocation. I think that's appropriate here. I'd ask you to impose the 12 to 36 month sentence. I have 54 days credit time served.
54?
Yes.
All right. Well, Mr. Duplessis, here's the deal. I don't tolerate new cases. I don't tolerate it from anybody. If you pick up a new case and you get bound over on a new case, you get revoked in Department 10. That's my rule. Today your probation is revoked. I'm going to modify your sentence to 12 to 30 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections. You have 54 days credit for time served.
Thank you.
Mr. Sachs, what else you got?
I think that's it for now, Judge.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go to page 17, C375703, State of Nevada versus Janelle Hamill. May the record reflect that Mr. Hamill is present in custody. Mr. Meningo is here on his behalf. Ms. Hibbets is here on behalf of the state. Mr. Daytime set for initial arraignment. State, is this going to death review?
No, Your Honor.
In light of that, Mr. Meningo, are you prepared to go forward with the arraignment?
We are, Judge.
All right. Mr. Hamill, sir, what is your full name? How old are you?
24.
How far did you go into school?
Education, I got 8.5 credits left.
Okay. Do you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, are you currently under the influence of any drugs, medication, or alcoholic beverages at this time? Do you understand the proceedings that are happening here today? Sir, are you familiar? There's only one count in this case, right?
Yes.
That's correct.
Okay. Are you familiar with the one charge that you're facing? Do you understand that charge? As to that charge, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty? Sir, you have the right to have a jury trial set within 60 days. Would you like to invoke or waive that right? All right. All right. This case is going to be assigned to Department 2. This case is going to have a status check trial setting in Department 2. That date is?
October 10th at 9 a.m.
October 10th
Yes, sir.
and thank you very much.
Thank you. Ms. Puccinelli, what are you doing?
Page 16, Montez. I think we're waiting for the special public defender.
Okay. Mr. Helmick, are you ready? All right. Let's go to page 10. C, 337-481, State of Nevada versus Johnny Matthews. May the record reflect that Mr. Matthews is present at liberty. Mr. Helmick is here on his behalf. Mr. Thoman is here on behalf of the state. All right. So we need to send this back to parole and probation for a PSI and then set it down for sentencing.
Let me see, did we,
He didn't do the interview, so they didn't do a PSI.
okay, gotcha.
All right, so we're gonna refer this back to parole and probation for a pre-sentence investigation report, set it down for sentencing on. Yes.
It'd be December 4th at 8:30.
And Ms. Matthews, I need you to go back to parole and probation and do an interview with them in the next 48 hours. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, could you assist him with getting that done?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Beckett, you ready?
No, Judge, my client's on his way. Apparently, he went to the wrong court. I thought it was clearly explained, but he was on his way.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Sachs, are we gonna go on some of these arraignments?
The one that I saw, she's not here yet. Here, Alan.
We're waiting for her to do that. Do you have Hollins on page 4?
I believe Bob Beckett has them.
Oh,
Right there.
okay. We're waiting for Mr. Yanis, Mr. Wooldridge. Got Rose on page 11. Let's do Fernandez on page 14. C, 345594, State of Nevada versus Cesar Fernandez. May the record reflect that Mr. Fernandez is present in custody. Mr. Sachs is here on his behalf. Mr. Thoman is here on behalf of the state. Is there a probation officer here on this?
Yes, Your Honor, Specialist Kennedy with PMP.
All right, I hadn't seen the violation report because when I prepped this calendar yesterday, it hadn't been filed yesterday afternoon. Mr. Sachs, have you seen it? Okay. What do you got? What are we doing?
Approaching.
Yes, because I haven't read it. I'm not even gonna tell you. That you have not been charged with the DUI, I'm going to reinstate you to probation at this time. The parole and probation reserves the right. They can rearrest you for a violation if you get charged with that DUI. Do you understand? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.